Hey there, fixers. So today we're gonna be working on the 2015 Subaru Crosstrek. We're gonna be engaging and disengaging the hill assist. Basically, the hill assist is what prevents you from rolling back on a manual car, on a manual Subaru. You could do this on any Subaru that's manual. You're gonna see the traction control right here. On the WRX is over here actually, but some cars is here or here or here. On this one that we're working on today, it's right here. So to turn it on, it's basically like right now it's off. It's gonna appear right here in the little corner right here. So right now it's off, and so to turn it on, you press the traction control and keep it pressed, and you're gonna see the traction control right there that says off. Until it goes out, you let it go, and then you're gonna see hill assist over there. It's gonna take like 30 seconds. Right there is off. Now you let it go and you press it again, and you're gonna see hill assist turn on right there. Now you just turn off the vehicle and turn it back on, and hill assist is off. It's on actually. So now that means that's engaged. That means that if you go in the hill, it's gonna hold you from going back. So how to turn it back off? So it disengages. You do the same procedure. You press it and keep on holding it until the light goes off. Like I said, it's gonna take like 30 seconds for it to go out. So right there is out. So you let it go and you press it again. And right there, now you let it go. You turn off the vehicle. You turn it back on. And it's off again. So that means that it's disengaged. So that means that it's not gonna, on a hill, it's not gonna hold you. So that's how you do it, guys. Please like and subscribe. Remember, you could do this on any manual car that's a Subaru, basically. So remember, some of them have it here, some of them have it here, and some of them have it here or here. Thank you, guys.